Store It All is a self-storage facility built in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. We have about 110,000 square feet, have about 585 units. The reason why Store It All went all out the way we did was because we wanted to give the clients protection of all of their valuables that they have in place. Where from families that have antique furniture to interior designers to software companies to the hospitals keeping different stuff and know that they were in good hands when they leave their stuff here.
Store It All is owned by a local client that we've had for a long time, and he approached us with this idea of doing a next-gen in storage unit complexes. We started researching the best technologies out there. That's how we landed on PDK, was we wanted an easy access control system that was cloud-based, that could be managed anywhere in the world. Especially as we know, as busy as he is with his schedule, he needed to be able to see it anytime he could on his phone. Yeah, so PDK was installed on every exterior door, every gate entrance, and the newer additions on the inside quadrants as well. So we've got roughly 61 access control doors right now throughout this 5-6 acre complex, 9 building. We have keypads on every single exterior door. We were fortunate enough to be able to use the red controllers throughout this entire project. Really laid for a great foundation for us throughout this whole complex. So we use red controllers throughout the entire project, from R1s, R2, R4s to the red pedestals as well. PDK made it really easy to install at the end of the day for us. Everything here is hardwired on the network, so our techs could have their phones on cellular data, be able to discover and adopt the red controllers onto the network, add the devices, and test it in real time without having to go somewhere else, get in a truck, or do anything. So we have about 197 cameras throughout this entire complex. They're located inside every corridor, inside every complex, outside every building. And number one is for safety, because the owner, that was a requirement for his, is he wanted to do something above everybody else. For a facility like this that will push several terabytes of high definition video every single day, it's impossible for someone to sit down and watch 197 to 200 cameras and pick footage out. Getting motion alerts and triggers based on vehicle alerts, people identifications for after hours or during hours. Getting that integration was critical, because we could sit there and say, hey, who's been inside this door before? And we can filter it out down by that. So we can see who's coming in and out of those doors. So if someone reported a break-in, we can go back to a specific camera and a specific time frame and see every time that door was open or closed. It takes seconds, if not a few minutes, to get access to that data now. The process of integrating PDK and Turing takes just a minute or two to be able to hook the two systems together, because they're both cloud-based platforms. The integration is super tight and quick to do. PDK is a perfect solution for Store It All, because we have multiple locations, hundreds of units, and at the end of the day, we need a solution that we can manage and access remotely anywhere in the world.